Understanding, it's beyond me, Unraveling English Idioms. Hello, everyone, welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating English phrase, it's beyond me. This phrase can be quite puzzling for English learners, so let's dive into its meaning, usage, and some interesting examples to help you master it. It's beyond me is an idiom used to express that something is too difficult to understand or comprehend. When someone says this, they're indicating that the topic or situation is too complex or confusing for them. It's not about physical ability, but about mental or emotional understanding. This is a contraction of it is, referring to the subject or situation in question. Beyond, this word suggests something is outside the range or scope of something else. Me refers to the speaker themselves. So, putting it all together, it's beyond me implies that the subject is outside the range of the speaker's understanding or ability to comprehend. 1. Science and math, quantum physics? It's beyond me. 2. Social situations. Why they decided to cancel the event is beyond me. 3. Technology. Trying to fix this complex code is beyond me. These examples show how the phrase can be used in various contexts, highlighting its versatility. It's over my head. I can't fathom it. It's Greek to me. All these expressions convey a similar meaning of not being able to understand something. Try using "it's beyond me" in a sentence. Think of a situation where you found something difficult to understand, and share it in the comments. Thank you for joining us in exploring the phrase, "it's beyond me." Remember, understanding idioms like this is a big step in mastering English. We hope this video has made the phrase clearer to you. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.